Hi, my name is Bill Feaver, and I am a affiliate marketer with and business owner with the Home Business Academy. And I just wanted to share with you one element that you need that's critical to your business if you're online, and that is to have an autoresponder. Um, Ramsey Limonstall quoted made this quote, and I'd like to read it to you. A small list that wants exactly what you're offering is better than a bigger list that isn't committed. And so I wanted to share some things with you about autoresponders that I've learned. Uh, the Home Business Academy, in their training, has looked to uh, a lot of the autoresponders on the market and their availability. And the three that they recommend are Active Campaign, Get Response, and Aweber. Um, I personally use Aweber. I personally use Get Response. Sorry. The One of the reasons why those three are recommended is that uh, they're the emails that are transmitted or sent through those three systems are open 70 to 90% of the time. In fact, Active Campaigns is open 95% of the time. Um, but so this goes back to the fact that you need to have a list. Your money, marketers tell you that your money is in your list. If you get a person's email and you give them a free gift, with that email you can send them follow-up information. You can get to know them. You can create a relationship with them. And at some point, because of that relationship, they will probably buy one or two of your products. And they might buy your products again and again and again. So that is one reason why you need that email list. And as I stated, the deliverability of those three companies are why they're recommended. The other thing is why I have Get Response is because its ability to connect quickly and to integrate with all the things I have to integrate with their system so that I don't have to do anything extra. So those are the three things that I look at is you need to create a list. You need an autoresponder to help you collect the list, collect emails, and then to provide a system to send out emails on a regular basis to a lot of people. And then you have to talk about how many of them are opened, are actually delivered and opened. Those are important too, and whether they will integrate with other systems that you have, like your funnels and other types of tools that you use in your business. The price range for those three are relatively in the same area. I believe that they're around $15 to $25 a month for the first 500 to 1,000 people on your list. And then it goes up from there. But that's basically it. And I just wanted to give you that information, maybe help you to decide what you're doing in your business going forward. Again, a lot of this training I'm getting from the Home Business Academy, and I have got links below to help you in your business if you should choose to use that. I've also got I've got connections so that you could be an affiliate, so that as you grow your business, you can also actually get people to sign up to use this same business that I'm referring you to, and that you can create a residual income from that too. So there's a lot of things to look at and to evaluate, but there's if you're growing an online business, those are really special things. And also, the Home Business Academy funnel is they have a done for you funnel, and they also have the build your own funnels. That their systems are really top notch and very versatile, and you can create thousands of web pages with them. So, whatever your needs are. So, thank you, and you all have a good day.